Our next presenter is Alyssa Andrew. Her faculty mentor is Nadia Roan, and the title of her talk is Hide and Seek, the Game HIV and T Cells Play.
How many of y'all remember Tom and Jerry? This cartoon cat named Tom would run around the house looking for his arch nemesis, the mouse, Jerry. And you could feel Tom's frustration every time Jerry got away. Well, I imagine that immune cells in our bodies feel just as frustrated as they roam around looking for our arch nemesis, which are pathogens. Take a pathogen called HIV, for example, or the human immunodeficiency virus. Once HIV enters a cell, a subset of these HIV-infected cells become long-lived reservoirs of HIV that hide throughout the body and are not easily recognized by the immune system. Immune cells, such as T cells, are responsible for killing HIV-infected cells. But in most cases, these cells become overwhelmed and they can't control the virus. Therefore, antiretroviral therapy, or ART, is a treatment used lifelong by people with HIV to help prevent HIV transmission and to control the virus. Interestingly, though, out of the 39 million people living with HIV, about 1% of them do not need treatment to control the virus. These rare individuals are known as elite controllers, and they represent a special case, a rare scenario, where people with HIV do not need treatment to display very long-term drug-free control of the virus. However, we don't understand the complexities of elite control, but we know that the immune system plays an important role. That's why my research investigates T-cell responses in elite controllers and in people who do not need treatment or who do need treatment to control the virus. My goal is to identify novel T-cell signatures that are associated with long-term viral control. To do this, I use a cutting-edge tool known as CyTOF, which acts as a magnifying glass and allows me to look at T-cells in very high detail. By using this approach, I have measured the expression of proteins on the surface and inside of T-cells in elite controllers and compared them to cells with people who need treatment to control the virus. And after analyzing millions of cells, so far I've seen that T cells in elite controllers express very high levels of a protein called CXCR5. This protein is important for helping T cells to travel to parts of the body that are known to harbor the HIV reservoir. So it seems that T cells in elite controllers may be better at finding HIV's hiding places. I'm excited to continue this work because my findings will improve future HIV cure strategies. And one way or another, my finding will ensure that HIV has nowhere to hide. Thank you.